Hey everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Today I'm gonna do another request video for you. This one is from my brother. He wanted me to show you guys how I did adobo, so I chose pork adobo. I'm gonna show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. So I did start off with 2 pounds of pork loin, and I'm just going to chop that up. I did chop them into about 1.5 inches to 1 inch. I like my pork to be thicker for my adobo. Next, we're gonna use some garlic. I did use about 4 cloves of garlic for this recipe. So I am gonna leave the garlic whole. What I'm doing is just peeling the garlic, slightly smashing it so the cloves can be released. Next, we're gonna slice some fresh ginger. Use as much or as little as you would like. I really love ginger, so I'm gonna use a lot. Tip for you guys, use a spoon to peel your ginger, that way you don't take so much of the meat from it. Now chop your ginger as thick or as thin as you would like. Next, I'm going to take half of a white onion and I'm just going to slice that up as well. Be careful while cutting your onion. Next, to a large pan, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil on a medium-high heat. Gonna let that warm up for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm just going to start adding in my pork. Now, you just want to brown these on both sides for about 2 to 5 minutes each side. Once they're brown, go ahead and flip them over. Now you can also add black pepper or salt to your pork, but because of the soy sauce, I just like the flavor of the ginger and the garlic and the soy. I don't add extra seasoning. But I did see that they do have adobo seasoning, so if you want, you can use that as well. Next, I'm just going to add in my onion, my garlic and ginger. And I'm just going to give that a good mix. Next, I'm going to add 3 to 4 bay leaves and whole peppercorn. And give that one more good mix. Now we are going to add half a cup of white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar. Whatever you have, go ahead and use. Next, I'll be adding 2 cups of low sodium soy sauce. And a teaspoon and a half of brown sugar. Now this just brings balance to the dish, so it's not too bitter. We're gonna give that one more toss and let this cook on a medium-low heat for about 30 to 35 minutes. Towards the end of the process of cooking, I'm going to make a slurry, and that's just to make your sauce thicker. So I did take a teaspoon of cornstarch with water, gonna mix that up. And add this to my pork adobo. So once you add your slurry, go ahead and let that sit for another 15 minutes so it can thicken up. And after 15 minutes, your pork adobo is done. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content, and hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.